This is a short tutorial on how to make a video on FlipGrid assignment.
Join your class FlipGrid by entering the code from your teacher in the free iOS or Android app. Or enter the code at flipgrid.com on any web browser. You'll be asked to log in with your school email address or student ID from your teacher. Let's tap that green plus to record a video.
Also see a red button which is right down below and record or respond. But to start a video, you're going to go ahead and click on this red camera right here. Make sure that you prepare before you start recording. And when you are recording a video, you can go ahead and use the effect. You can use the emoji or you can use frame. Let me go ahead and use frame to show you. You can test out different background and see which one you like more. So we have a little fish right here. So just use different background. You may also use a different effect like the emoji to cover your face, and that is fine too. Even though Miss Nong likes to see you in class, if you're not comfortable in actual person, you can use the emoji and just make sure that you drag it to make it big enough, and then you can cover your face that way. You can pause or stop and then you can review it. Let's go ahead and review what this one looked like. You can use the emoji or you can use frame. Let me go ahead and use frame to show you the background and see which one you like more. So we have a little fish right here. Okay, so click on next. You don't have to take a selfie unless you want to do one. This I think is a thumbnail. Okay, there are more effects to explore and I haven't shown you all of the effects here, but you can explore for yourself, okay? It's a mirror selfie. I guess a mirror will just flip it the other way. Explore and have fun.
In FlipGrid, you can pause your video to record multiple segments, add filters, turn on whiteboard mode, and more. Once you're done, you can review and edit your video, or record more. When you're ready to share, tap Next and take a selfie. This is the image that will appear on the grid. Click Submit to share your video to the grid, and that's it. Your video is on the grid.